Welcome to Kids Joyful Learning.
Let's learn colors with joy today. Sing and dance the fun way. Red, red apple, round and sweet. Clap your hands and move your feet. Orange carrot, crunchy bright. Jump up high with all your might. Yellow sun up in the sky. Wave your hands and say hi, hi. Colors, colors everywhere. Let's learn colors, sing and share. With joy the panda every day. Learn the colors, hip, hip, hooray. Green frog jumping all around. Ribbit, ribbit, funny sound. Blue sky shining, calm and wide. Let's take a trip and go for a ride. Purple grapes so sweet and round. Let's dance and spin around the ground. Colors, colors everywhere. Let's learn colors, sing and share. With joy the panda every day. Learn the colors, hip, hip, hooray. Pink flowers smell so nice. Sing together once or twice. Brown teddy loves to hug. Soft and warm and snug, snug, snug. Black cat walking in the night. Meow, 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 what a sight. Ha, ha. Colors, colors everywhere. Let's learn colors, sing and share. With joy the panda every day. Learn the colors, hip, hip, hooray. White rabbit jumps so high. Under the moon up in the sky. Gray elephant big and tall. Drum big sound for one and all. Rainbow colors bright and new. Red and yellow, pink and blue. Colors, colors everywhere. Let's learn colors, sing and share. With joy the panda, fun all day. Learn the colors, hip, hip, hooray. Now we know our colors, yay. See you soon another day.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.